Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 92nd session. Now that we have got some data inside of our Excel pivot table, let's take a look at formatting the data within the Excel pivot table. Now, there's actually a couple of different ways that you can apply formatting, and really what I'm going to focus on in this video right here is formatting these numeric values. These numeric values, they represent sales amount, and right now they are just a big block of numbers, right? We got a decimal in there, but there's no thousands comma, there's no currency symbol. They are sales amounts, right? They should represent currency, right? Now there's two different ways to do it. We could use kind of the old style, the manual style of formatting the sales. So I could just highlight a range of sales here from B5 to F13. So I could highlight range of sales, and then I can go to my home tab and I can use the number section to apply the proper format, right? In this case, utilizing a currency style, and that works. But when you use the formatting command from the home tab, you're formatting the sales. In this case, B5 to F13, right? If your pivot table, or if the data your pivot table is based off of is modified, let's say for example more salespeople are added, so that would update our pivot table, right? And we would get more rows, and we want to make sure that those additional rows get the proper formatting as well. So Excel is pretty smart. It will look at your data and it will say, okay, you formatted the above cells as currency, so I'm going to try to help you out. I'm going to try to make those currencies as well, but it doesn't always work. So I'm going to show you a better way to format your values in a pivot table. Let's take a look at it. So first, let's get rid of the salesperson and region from the rows. Let's drop off, and let's put the month back into the row section. So take a moment, you could pause the video. Let's get the type in the column, month in the rows, and sales inside the value section. Alright, once you have got that complete, to format the data again, you could highlight it, go to your home tab, you could format it there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down into the value section, and I'm going to click on the sum of sales. This gives you a handful of options here. Let's go on to the value field settings, and it's going to open up our value field setting window. Inside of there, we could change the name of the field in there. We can tell it how we want to summarize the value. In this case, Excel defaulted out to sum. We could change it to count or an average and so on. And then down below that, we have got the number format. I'm going to go ahead and give that a click, and inside of here we have seen this window much earlier in the course. I'm going to change it to the currency. You could change the decimal places, you could change your symbol to the proper currency marker, and you can change how it affects or displays negative values, right? So I'm just going to leave it all at default. It fits my region. I'll hit OK, hit OK again, and we have now formatted our numeric values here properly. These are sales amount, right? They are dollars, they are currency. Let's make them look like currency. We got the decimals, we got the thousands comma, we got the proper currency symbol inside of there, right? So looking good. Now clearly represented as currency values. So make sure you try this out. It's a simple move, but you just go down into your values, click on the field there, go to the field settings, go to the number format, where you can modify how you want your numbers to be displayed or formatted. So make sure you try this out, knock it out of the park, right? Let's get the data look the way that it should. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.